Last year, we started getting a lot of business. Just myself and one employee. We wasn't using anything to manage our clients or send our estimates. Got to a point where I knew we needed something to help us get organized if we were going to continue to grow. Tried a couple different apps, but I know one didn't have anything to schedule our jobs with. And I didn't want to use PayPal as a payment processor that app tried to make me do. Knew it wasn't going to work. Also, I couldn't add my team to keep track of their hours or their mileage. And other apps, $150 a month. Way too much. Contractor Plus lets us do everything we need. It's easy to use and it only costs $30 a month.
We don't have a lot of time to be on our phones all day when we're out here taking care of business. But Contractor Plus is really easy to use. When we start the day, I just tap the clock in button. And when we end the day, I tap clock out. It doesn't get any easier than that.
When I found Contractor Plus, I was really surprised. I was able to add service agreements right in the settings, and our clients can access it and sign it right in the app. I can add a whole year of client visits in our job schedule in just a couple minutes. I like to get people to commit for 1 year, as it helps us keep steady income year-round. It's great because as we fill our schedule, we can see when we need to hire more people to take on more business.
We've got 2 teams of 2 now, running 2 routes, and we stay busy all week. Josh has been talking like it's almost time to hire 2 more guys. It's crazy to watch how fast this little lawn care service has grown just on word of mouth alone.
Contractor Plus has earned my business for life. My clients appreciate the professionalism they get when working with iCare. Contractor Plus is the reason why we look so professional. After using Contractor Plus, I'd never use another app to run my business.